Name in that discussion. Lebensraum. What was Lebensraum? Can you tell me? Lebensraum. Lebensraum means to make free space in Germany. That was the process of making free space in Germany. What kind of homework you have received yesterday? What was it? Describe Hitler's ideology. Clear? Means he gave geopolitical concept of Lebensraum. Clear? To make open space in using geopolitical concept. He believed that new territories has to be acquired for settlement. Clear? And this would enhance the area of mother country while enabling settlers. And the German concept of Lebensraum, that is living space, comprises policies and practices of settler colonialism, which proliferated in Germany from 1890s to 95. Very good. Everybody has written? Today is 22. Here, boys. So, the topic of discussion is establishment of the racial state. Clear? So here, racial state was going to be established. If racial means a particular state where only one race can survive, that becomes a racial state. Clear? So, first of all, you should know who were Nordic German Aryans. Clear? Nordic German Aryans. This is very important term. Nordic German Aryans. Clear? Who were Nordic German Aryans? Means one branch of those classified as Aryans, right? Branch of Aryan. They were branch of Aryans, right? These were Nordic German Aryans. They were branch of Aryans here, and they lived in North European countries, right? And lived in North European countries. Here, they lived in North European countries and had German or related origin, right? And had German or related origin. Here, these people were known as Nordic German Aryans because they were German origin. Clear? And lived in that portion European, North European countries. Clear? So here, Nazis quickly began to implement their dream of creating an exclusive racial community. Right? What happened? They started developing racial community. Clear? They started developing exclusive racial community. Clear? Exclusive racial community of Aryans. Clear? These communities were of Aryans. Okay? And that is pure German. That is, they were pure German. Clear? They developed a community of pure German, right? By eliminating undesirable. Undesirables. Clear? Who were undesirables? Those who didn't have characteristics of Nordic German Aryans. Clear? Means their eyes were not blue, right? They had no blonded skin. Clear? They had less height. Clear? They had different shape, body shape, low strength. Such peoples, they were removed. Clear? Because they were considered as undesirable. So Nazis wanted only a society of pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Clear? Pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Clear? These people, pure and healthy Nordic Aryans, were desirable. Were desirable race of Germany. By Hitler. Clear? He desired only pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Understood? He had a desire of only pure and healthy Nordic Aryans. Only they could survive in there and no more others. Clear? And only they were seen as worthy and prospering and multiplying against all others who were classed as undesirable. Clear? Only they were able to multiply. Only they can reproduce. Only they can, give birth to children. And remainings were not allowed because they were considered as undesirable. Clear? Still sitting? Not writing anything? So this means that even those Germans who were seen as impure or abnormal had no right to exist. Clear? Impure and abnormal people, right? Impure and abnormal Germans had no right to exist in Germany. Clear? To exist. Clear? Means those who were impure, who were not normal, abnormal, such people, they were not allowed to live in Germany. Clear? So this means that even those Germans who were seen as impure, they were not allowed to live, and under the euthanasia program, Helmut's father, along with other Nazi officials, had condemned to death many Germans who were considered mentally or physically unfit. Right? There was euthanasia program. Right? Under the euthanasia program. Clear? Under euthanasia program. Right? Helmut's father killed many Germans, right? Many Germans who were physically unfit. Clear? Who were physically unfit and impure. Clear? Means Helmut's father under euthanasia program was running. Under this program, this was Nazi program. Clear? Under this program, such people had to be killed who were physically unfit. Who were physically unfit? Who have lost their one part of the body, who are having one eye only, right? Who is unable to hear, right? Who has very short height, clear? Or who is very obese. Such persons under euthanasia program, clear? Under euthanasia program of Nazi system, Helmut's father killed many people who were physically unfit, clear? And who were impure, clear? That's why he made them to die. So Jews were not the only community classified as undesired. There were others also. Clear? So Jews, so who were unfit and impure? Who were unfit and impure? That were Jews community, right? Jews were unfit and impure because they had, undesirable. Clear? Jews, those who were Jews, their nose, they told that their nose is of shape of 6. They had Jews, their nose had a shape of 6. Understand? And their eyes like mouse, very small eyes, a pointed eye. Clear? That's why Hitler considered them undesirable, unfit. They told that these people, they are only living here, just eating out, only doing unnecessary works, and they are not fit for German army. Clear? In German army, I want only one thing, Nordic German army, whose heights are more than 7 feet. 7 feet tall. Clear? They have blonded skin, white skin. Blonded means from which outside their blood appears. Clear? Browny hair. Clear? And blue eyes. Such people were known as Nordic German Aryans. So Hitler wanted that only this race should survive and remaining have to die or leave the Germany. Go and live any other part of the world, but not in Germany. Understood? This was his Nazi propaganda. So many gypsies and blacks living in Nazi Germany were considered racial inferior. Clear? Who were racial inferior? Negroes, Jews, Hapsi, Gypsy, colored people, right? All these people, they were considered as undesirable, clear? Inferiors, who threatened the biological purity of the superior Aryan race, because they were threat for biological purity, because biologically only Nordic German Aryans were pure, clear? And remaining had some problems, some shortcomings. That's why such species should not survive. For example, according to Mendel and Spencer, right? Mendel made experiment in his, garden bed. He, grew pea crop, right? And when he got these crops, what he had to do? Those, pea plants which were healthy, they remained, and those which were unhealthy, he had to uproot, right? In this manner, he wanted to develop a special species. You have studied in biology. Clear? In similar manner, on that principle, Hitler thought that Germany is like a garden bed, right? Understood? And here only healthy plants should grow. Means healthy plants means pure plants means Nordic German Aryan should grow in Germany. And remaining colored people, inferior classes, who is the threat for biological purity, they should be uprooted. They should be removed. They should not live in Germany. Clear? Because it is challenge for biological purity. Understood? That's why Germany, Hitler had this propaganda, this program. Clear? So he had told that inferiors are threatened to biological purity of the superior races. So they were widely prosecuted. Clear? They were widely prosecuted, punished. Prosecution means systematic, organized punishment. Clear? They should be punished. They should be given. They should be removed, or they should be killed systematically. Clear? This was, and even Russians and Poles were considered subhuman and hence undeserving of any humanity. Clear? When Germany occupied Poland, understood, and parts of Russia, captured civilians were forced to work as slave laborers. Many of them died simply through hard work and starvation. Most of these people, they have died because of hard work and starvation, because Germany, it has occupied Poland and some part of Russia. Clear? So in those areas, those people who had Nordic German Aryan character, they were, they were selected, clear, and they were adopted for higher education, for military training, for other things, clear, and remaining people, they were not given food, they starved to death. Clear? He told that, inferior species should not survive in Germany. Clear? Inferior species means poor species. Just like if you have grown pea plants, then those plants which are very, in molted form, clear, which have, very less growth, what will you do? You will remove them, because it is treat for healthy plants, right? In similar manner, Hitler wanted to remove all these inferior classes from Germany. Understand? He wanted only one biologically pure Nordic German Aryans should survive in Germany, and remaining people, they should be punished or prosecuted. Clear? So in this manner, you have got Jews remained the worst sufferer in Nazi Germany. Which class suffered most? The Jews. They suffered most in Germany. Understood? And because of this thing, Germany, right, Jews were killed brutally. Understand? First, Hitler gave ultimatum of 6 months that you leave Germany within 6 months, otherwise I will prosecute it. Clear? But there were some Jews who found that Germany is our motherland and I will not leave Germany till our last breath. Those people survived. For them, Hitler has developed a concentration camp. Clear? He used to arrest them and send them in a special train. This is a train, just like this was train of Hitler. Understand? In this train, all gypsies, Negroes, and Jews, they had to be collected and they were carried to concentration camp. And there they were poisoned. Understood? This was the picture of that train. Clear? So Jews remained the worst sufferer. Nazi hatred of Jews had a precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. Understood? Those Nazis hated Jews. Clear? Nazi always hated Jews because they were biologically impure. Their physical structure was very rough and tough. Clear? They had poor body structure. They had less strength. Clear? And they were corrupt people. They were businessmen. They used to supply, duplicate items. Understood? And they used to make business. Their main motto was to earn money, right? At any cost. at the compromise of God. That's why Nazi people, they hated them. Clear? So in this way, Nazi hatred of Jews had a precursor in the traditional Christian hostility towards Jews. And even Christians, they also hated Jews. Clear? You might have studied Merchant of Venice, in which Jews, they were punished very brutally. Is there any story of Merchant of Venice in your book? Not it there, but still, Jews, they were called, very inferior class. Story of Jews. Jews were those people in whose kingdom Jesus Christ was crucified. Right? Jesus Christ was crucified by Zeus king. Clear? That's why, from there, all Christians start hating Jews and declare them one of the inferior class of Europe. Clear? From them, Jews became biologically impure class. Clear? Like in our country, like scheduled caste. In similar manner, Jews are scheduled caste in European country, especially in those countries where Christian religion is under practice. Understood? So this is the way when Jews were, punished.